You've got a product but no time, budget or desire to film yourself? TopView.AI can help you create a professional viral video in just minutes, no filming required. The truth is, most creators and businesses can struggle to make high converting content because it requires time, money, equipment and experience. Without it, your product can easily get lost in the noise online. TopView.AI flips this on its head. It uses AI to easily create videos that are ready to post on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and more. In this video, I'll show you exactly how the product works and why it might just be your secret weapon to help you grow faster with less effort. First thing we're going to look at is the product avatar feature. And I'm going to create a video holding a product, apricot conserve that I've got here. And the avatar is going to advertise this product without any filming required. So here is product avatar. I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to choose an avatar to hold the product. So I'm going to go with this lady down here who's holding a jar of jam, similar to what I'm going to do, and I'm going to replace with my product image. I'm going to open that up. So it's removing the image background, the white area around the jam jar right now. So there you can see the jam jar's in the right kind of placement. It needs a slight bit of adjustment, maybe in the angle. Similar size as well. Then I'm going to click this button at the bottom here to confirm the product position. And now it's going to create a product avatar video with the lady holding the product. And then after we've got that, then we can create a script to advertise this apricot jam. So you can see all of these look really good. I'm just going to select, I can't really see much difference between them. The one on the right, the jar looks a little bit skinnier. So I'm just going to go with this one on the left, which looks good to me. And then I'm going to click image to avatar in Pro mode. So now it's animating the avatar. Video is ready. And I'm going to click play on it.
I'm TopView product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
Perfect. So now all I need to do is give the avatar my script and we've got the video. So I created a script quickly using ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy and paste that in. Looking for something sweet, rich, and just a little bit special. So here we go. And it's the same lady as before. And I'm going to click generate. And I give it a name and I'm just going to call it the name of the jam, apricot export. So you can see that's moving quite quickly there. It's saying this is going to be about 2 minutes to make that video once the avatar is ready, which it is right now. Okay, the video is now ready. So let's click into that video.
Looking for something sweet, rich, and just a little bit special. This is specially selected apricot conserve, packed with ripe golden apricots and slow cooked for that perfect balance of tart and sweet. Spread it on toast, swirl it into yogurt, or bake it into something unforgettable. Taste the upgrade. Available now at Aldi.
Amazing. That's amazing. And I'll show you a quick second example. If you're ready to get started, I've dropped the link to TopView.AI in the pinned comment and in the description below. Feel free to follow along as I walk you through it. So I'm going to get one of these guys to talk about a cup. So replace with my product image. Perfect. So here I've got my product, design your own mug, and removing image background. Here we go. Look, design your own mug. So I'm going to go for the first one here, which is recreated at the best. So we're going to do image to video avatar. And now it's creating the video to image, which it says is going to be about 5 to 10 minutes. And the avatar video is done with the script.
Imagine starting every day with a reminder you are a winner. Grab your personalized winner's cup with your name on it. It's the ultimate boost for your mornings, your desk, or your dreams. Click the link below to get yours and claim your victory daily.
Now we've got a selection of their tools here and I'll give you a quick overview. We've got avatar marketing video here, create marketing video ads from a link or local materials. We've got video avatar, create avatar videos or clone your avatars from a video. And you've got a product shoot here where you can try on different clothes or show products, and a photo avatar, like make the picture talk, an AI image tool, an AI video tool, and an AI voice generator. But the coolest products here are the ones that make the whole video for you to advertise your product. So I'm going to take this DJI Mic, which I've got on right now, grab the link from the Amazon website here. This is for the UK version. I'm going to come back here and then you can put the link in this top box here and you can click create a video. And now instantly it's looking at that link and it's analyzing what the product is on that video. You can see it here analyzing. This doesn't take very long, maybe a couple of minutes. So as it's analyzing it here, I'll let you know that we've got an option here to upload a picture file. So if you can take a product that's already on Amazon or on one of these popular websites, and you can put it in here and the AI analyzes it for the pictures, the information and videos on that site. And as you see here, the channel is brought up all these videos of the product and some pictures, and it's saying estimated processing time 3 minutes for these materials. So I'm going to say yes. And you can upload other files here if you have other files relating to this product as well, or if you wanted to use one that's not already on a public website. And then now it's got the product name here, which is the DJI Mic. You can click here to use your own script, or you can let the AI create a script for you. So I'm going to let the AI create a script for me. We've got some more options down the bottom here, and the options here are for choose a style of script writing. So what style have we got here? We've got pain points, plus harms, plus solutions, use fear-based hooks, or we can go down to like attention grabbing hooks, setting expectations, solutions, using a reveal type hooks. And then it says your target audience. So I'm going to say video creators. You can leave that blank if you want as well. And then here's the length of the video that you want. So you can have 15 to 30 seconds or 30 to 45 seconds. So I think let's just go for 15 to 30 seconds. This is where you can put like a brand logo here. So I'm going to grab a brand logo just for DJI. And then down the bottom here, we have a choice of what type of video we want. So we can have like a portrait, or we can have a landscape, or we can have 1:1. TikTok and that, it's in portrait. So let's do a portrait this time. And we can choose here the kind of voice that we want. I think I'll go for this avatar guy here, and let's go for this young influencer type looking guy. Then I'm going to click generate. So this is exciting to see what kind of advert it can build based on the DJI wireless mic to sell it to creators. So here you can see it's generated a few different scripts, and it's got here Pro Streamer audio cost $1,000. Wrong. And you can see here if you wanted to change these, you could. The second one here, trash audio on TikTok in 2024, that's a big no. These are like the opening hook lines. And a third option, pro audio on TikTok, I'm spilling the tea today. So I mean, if you wanted to click in to say something like this, you could change it from like, I'm spilling the tea today, say I'm spilling the beans. So the first video is generated. Let's see what it looks like in preview here.
Pro Streamer audio cost $1,000. Wrong. My audio used to be trash. Now, crystal clear thanks to this. It's all in one case, pre-linked, ready to roll, no setup stress. 820 feet range, hello vlogging freedom, plus 14-hour recording, 15-hour battery, magnetic mount. This mic is pure genius. Run, don't walk. Link in bio before it's gone. Haha DJI Mic, hashtag TikTok audio.
Wow. Some of the other ones here.
Trash audio on TikTok in 2024, that's a big no. Been there, done that, trust me, I got you covered fam. DJI Mic is here and it's a game changer y'all. All in one design, ready to go right out of the box. 820 feet range, walk and talk baby, 15-hour battery, never miss a beat, ever. Attaches magnetically, so easy to coordinate shoots. Run, don't walk. Grab the DJI Mic before they're sold out.
The next thing we're going to try here is the product any shoot, which says fit any product anywhere, perfect for try-ons and product showcases. So we're going to get this hoodie that I've downloaded a picture of, which is a YouTube personalized hoodie. And then we're going to choose a person to wear this and use. And then here you just have to highlight the area where the jumper's going to go. So you've got this brush on the left here, and you just highlight the area where the jumper's going to go. It's going to kind of cover this whole area really. Then once you've selected the area, you just click generate. And here you have it. The images have been created. So it's created this one here with him wearing that actually looks perfect from what I can see. Yeah, excellent. So then with this, you can then decide to go image to video with the product. So he's wearing your jumper product now. And we've got the image to video, and here we can prompt young man wearing a red hoodie walks and turns like a fashion photo shoot for High End magazine. Here you can choose creativity or relevance to your prompt, standard mode or professional mode. I'm going to go for professional mode, the duration for 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for 10 seconds. You got a choice of 1 or 2 counts. We'll go for just 1, I think for now, and then click generate. And you can choose a negative prompt as well. Anyone who's used Kling AI or any of the other AI generators, this will all look very familiar to you. So the estimated time for that is 5 minutes. So we'll come back to this after it's ready. The red hoodie is done now, so let's have a look at that. And here it is, modeling off your red hoodie. And you know, a lot of YouTube creators, we have products like hoodies, jumpers, and things like this. This is perfect for showing off your product to your potential buyers here. And I really like the quality of this, it's incredible. So if you're serious about getting your product out there and not spending hours filming or hiring an editing team, TopView.AI could be just what you need. I've put the link to it in the description below and in the pinned comment. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions on this product, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video, here or here.